show you how to remove any application from your OS X Mac. Simply go to the Finder, click and hold, and go to Application. Or you can just go to click on the Finder and then select Application. You'll see all the application that installed in your Mac. Select the application that you want and go to search. Type the name. Now go to hit that plus sign. Go over here. Hit Other. Type System. Select this option. Just in case if this checkbox is not checked, make sure it's checked. Then hit OK. Now go to that over here. Select R included to include every single file that's related to this application, to make sure to remove it all. Now we can simply just select it all and then drag it to the trash. And just warning, because I already forgot that I already opened, so just hit OK and then just quit that. And now just do it again. Select it and drag it to that trash. Just to confirm, type put my password for my system, and that's how you do it. If you enjoy this tutorial and find it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you very much.